Write a short note on profit and loss account under the Companies Act 2013. The profit and loss account is an important part of the financial statements of a company. It shows the income earned and expenses incurred by the company during a financial year and helps in determining whether the company has made a profit or suffered a loss. Under Section 129 of the Companies Act 2013, every company is required to prepare financial statements that give a true and fair view of the state of affairs of the company and comply with the accounting standards prescribed under the Act. In the case of a company that is not established for earning profit, an income and expenditure account is prepared and presented before the annual general meeting. Instead of a profit and loss account, period covered by the profit and loss account. The first profit and loss account of a company should begin from the date of incorporation of the company, end on a date before the first annual general meeting. For subsequent years, the account begins immediately after the closing date of the previous account. It covers the company's financial activities for the relevant financial year. The period covered by the account is called the financial year. Financial year. A financial year may not necessarily coincide with the calendar year. It may be shorter or longer than 12 months, but ordinarily it should not exceed the period prescribed under the Companies Act 2013. Compliance with accounting standards. According to Section 133 of the Companies Act 2013, every financial statement, including the profit and loss account, must comply with the accounting standards prescribed by the central government in consultation with the National Financial Reporting Authority. These standards ensure accuracy in financial reporting, uniformity in accounting practices, transparency and reliability of financial information, disclosure of non-compliance. Under Section 129(5) of the Companies Act 2013, if the profit and loss account or any financial statement does not comply with the prescribed accounting standards, the company must disclose the deviation from the accounting standards, the reasons for such deviation, the financial effect arising from such deviation. Penalty for non-compliance. If a company fails to comply with Section 129 of the Companies Act 2013, the managing director, whole-time director, in charge of finance, chief financial officer, or any other person responsible may be punished with fine ranging from 50,000 to 5 lakhs or imprisonment up to 1 year or both. Importance of profit and loss account. The profit and loss account helps determining the profitability of the company, assess financial performance, assist shareholders and investors in decision making, ensure transparency and accountability, facilitates statutory audit and regulatory compliance. Conclusion. Thus, the profit and loss account under Section 129 and 133 of the Companies Act 2013 is an essential financial statement that records the income and expenditure of a company, reflects its profit and loss, and ensures compliance with prescribed accounting standards to present a true and fair view of its financial position.